So this is tutorial number 3. You should have already have done this section, which is setting up the range that the sprite walks. You can see there, this is the range from here to here. So you should already have this script. And what we're going to do now is decide which way our sprite's going to walk. And it's going to use our attribute called, which is here, our turn, which is a Boolean, which is a true or false value. So what I'm going to do is this time create a when updating. That means this will happen all of the time. Okay, so we need to use a decision here because we're deciding which way to walk, and it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so we go into here, and again we go into numbers and text. I believe I always look in the wrong place because these green ones are the same, and I'm actually looking for an equals to actually. So there we go. So what I'm going to say is going into attributes now. If turn is equal to, let's go into Boolean, true. So if the turn is equal to true, what I'm going to do is decide on the direction that way. So if I say, where's X speed? I want motion, so I'm going to go into motion, and there we go. Set that to 10, and then we'll go into otherwise, and I'll duplicate that. Quite easy, just to right click or double click, whichever way you use your Mac, -10. Now what this script does then, this is our Boolean flag. It's a true or false value, which I'll show you how to use in the last tutorial. If this value is true, the X speed will be 10. That means the character will go this way. If that flag is false, so in every other situation, I'm going to set the X speed to -10, which means the character will move this way. You can see on the screen here, so that means the flag is true. This way the flag is false. Flag is true, flag is false. Now the next tutorial we're going to think, well, how does it decide whether to raise that flag for true or false? Some of you might have already worked it out, and it's to do with the range we set earlier. So that's how we decide to set our direction, by using what's called a Boolean true or false value to set the direction that our character goes in.